Hello everyone, welcome to our 100-part series here in the Enlightened Life, talking about Steve Chandler's book here, 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. Here we are in part 2 of this series. Let's really dive in a little bit deeper into it. Here, the principle is to tell a true lie. And so what he describes is that his daughter had this poetry contest kind of thing she was in school, where all the children had to make up these untruths about themselves and kind of make this lie poem as one of the poetry pieces. Poetry can be a fantastic way of expressing ourselves. Some people think it's lame, but whatever, that's great. Anywho, regardless of that, I think the big deal about this one is it's very similar to our previous principle, that it's about creating this true lie. So telling ourselves this kind of like, I want this vision. And so people naturally have this inclination away from lying. They're like, oh, lying's horrible, don't lie. Because normally that's a good idea, because lying naturally kind of drives us away from our higher selves, because usually we're trying to deceive people to get something. And deception of people projects that kind of deceptive nature onto the subconscious mind. So then our subconscious mind's going to want to deceive us and wreck our life like a ton. So we don't want to wreck our own life, so don't really lie to other people. Not a good idea. But here the idea is to tell the subconscious mind a story of something you want. And when you really do that, it's the same technique of creating a vision. When you create a vision, you can then live into that vision, because the mind thinks in pictures. And when the subconscious mind has a picture of success, it will then give you better blueprints and better ideas to actually get you to success. It's a very scientific principle, it's very straightforward, and it's something that really should be taught like to everybody in all schools. But since it isn't, here we are talking about it right here. There you go. That is principle 2. Tell a true lie. Here we are. So tell in this future that you want to live into. Basically the same as the first principle, so not too much I need to dive into there. Tell me how you guys feel about this principle, and I will see you guys next time with the next video. So stay tuned, and I'll see you then.